In this video, we're going to look at how we post the discounts received daybook to the general ledger. Just to remind you that the discounts received daybook is where we record information from credit notes received from a business's suppliers, recording early settlement or prompt payment discounts. So we have an example on screen, and let's bring up a postings list so that we can record the entries that will be made in our general ledger. Now, just to point out that we will be posting the totals from our discounts received daybook. We won't be posting the individual credit notes, although in this case there is just the one credit note. So let's have a look at what will go into our postings list. Well, first of all, we've got to record the gross total for the period. Now this will be sent to the purchase ledger control account because the discounts that are received will affect the amount that is owed to the business's suppliers, and this is calculated in that particular account. The gross amount will be debited to the purchase ledger control because it represents a decrease in that liability, the amount that's owed to the suppliers, and we'll date it the 31st of March. The total of the VAT column will be credited to the VAT account in the general ledger, and it's credited because it represents an increase in the liability, the amount of money that's owed to HMRC. Again, will be dated the 31st of March, as will our final entry, which is the total of the net column, which represents the net discounts received. So this is going to go to our discounts received account, and that £10 will be credited to that account as it represents a decrease in the value of the business's expenses, in this case purchases. Now that we've completed our postings list, let's bring up the general ledger accounts that we're going to use. Well, we have the VAT account, the purchase ledger control account. We won't be using the purchases account or purchase returns account, but I brought them up anyway, but we will be using the discounts received account. So let's go through the postings. The £12 will be recorded on the debit side of our purchase ledger control account. It'll be dated the 31st of March, and the description we will use is discounts received, and we'll use that description as the corresponding credit to that debit will be recorded in the discounts received column. In the discounts received account. The £2 will be recorded on the credit side of our VAT account and dated the 31st of March, and we'll use the description purchase ledger control as the corresponding debit to that entry is recorded in the purchase ledger control account, and we'll take the same approach when recording the net amount of £10 in the discounts received account. Again, it'll be recorded on the credit side, we'll date it the 31st of March, and the description will be purchase ledger control, as that's where the corresponding debit to that credit is found. And that is how we transfer information from the discounts received daybook into the general ledger.